Hey guys, welcome to NewzoTech. In today's video, we are going to talk about that how you can find best free games for your PC that you can play with the help of a joystick. So let's begin today's video and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you would never miss an update from us. First of all, you need to go to Google and type ppsspp, and then you have to go to the website and download it for Windows, and after that it will start downloading. After completing the download, you need to extract the files. After installation, you need to start the emulator, and then you can see that I haven't downloaded the game yet, only the emulator has been downloaded. So now we will download the game. For downloading the game, you need to go to a website named that free roams. In that you have to, in row section you have to select PSP, and after selecting that you can find categories and you can download the appropriate game from the link. I have a slow internet, so it will take our time. Then you need to go to the emulator and install the game. You need to select the location where you have downloaded the game, and I have already installed all three games, and I will show you that how you can install them. And now I am going to try one of the game. Make sure that you have inserted your joystick. If you haven't, then you won't be able to play the games, because these games can be only played with the help of a joystick.